Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. This is Art Thomas. Hello everyone, today we are going to continue to talk about more bodyweight exercises. If you weren't able to see my previous videos on these, I'll put a link in the description below. With that said, you don't need any weights, just yourself. Exercise number 1 are high walking knee raises as demonstrated. As you can see, I'm at the gym, but you can do this anywhere. You just need a floor. All workouts shown are for your knowledge and are here to help you with ataxia. I hope this points you in the right direction. With this exercise, have something around you just in case you lose your balance, which might happen because it happens to me all the time. That's why I have the wall next to me for support, and I have my personal trainer around if I need further assistance. Exercise number 2 are high walking straight leg kicks as demonstrated. This is basically the same workout that I showed in one of the home workout videos, which I'll put a link in the description below, but with this one you will be moving forward. Again, ensure you have something around for support. We don't want you to hurt yourself. This and the first exercise are exercises used by professional athletes to warm up. Exercise number 3 are rear kicks with foot taps as demonstrated. And just like the previous exercises, try and move forward while doing this, and also have something around for support. If moving is too hard, try and do the same workout standing still. Moving forward adds another layer of complexity to it. Exercise number 4 are walking hamstring ankle touches as demonstrated. Like me, you don't have to try and get your leg high. Don't copy that from me. For some reason, this and other exercises I needed to use the wall a lot for support. If it wasn't for the wall, I would have definitely fallen. Exercise number 5 is the Turkish get up as demonstrated. I previously did a video on only the Turkish get up, which I will put a link in the description below. That video covers the Turkish get up in more detail and it lays out the steps. The Turkish get up is extremely hard for anyone, and adding ataxia to that just makes it that much more difficult. In this video, I am not using any additional weight. It's just me. You really don't need weight for this because it is so difficult by itself. Adding weight just makes it more complex. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. Don't give up. If you keep pushing yourself, you're not giving your body a choice. You are making the choice. Keep trying over and over, and when you feel like giving up, don't. The best way to counteract ataxia is really stress that nervous system. If I can do it, so can you. Please help bring awareness to ataxia, which is extremely rare, by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free, and thank you.